Hello friends, welcome to Uptake classes. Now in this video we will going to discuss a journey from MNNIT Allahabad to UPSC. So in this video we will discuss about some successful candidate who belong from Motilal Nehru Institute of Technology Allahabad now in Prayag. So the student who are preparing for UPSC, state PSC or other students who studying in other colleges can relate their dream job with these successful candidates. So इस वीडियो हम लोग यही कहेंगे कि the student who are studying in this college, I think second year, third year or fourth year, they can they can get motivated from these candidates. So let's start with first Ajay Jain sir, who belong from Savai Madhopur district in Rajasthan. He did BTech 2014 in Electronics and Communication branch from this college. Then after he took Vajiram Ravi is the coaching in Old Rajendra Nagar, Delhi. That he took geography as a optional subject under the guidance of Sabir sir. Then he first attempted the UPSC exam in 2015. He missed prelims very few marks. So then he again attempted 2016. Then again missed prelims by few marks. Then was the setback for him. So in 2017, when rigorous study, he got a rank 399. By that rank, he got Indian Railway Traffic Services. So in 2017, when he was in job, Indian Railway Traffic Services, then he again set the mind to appear in 2018 attempt. So that was the dream come true that year 2018. He got 141 rank. By that rank he got IPS, Indian Police Service. So that year one of the biggest, what we can say, biggest achievement, the second highest mark in geography. So that year Pratham Kaushik sir, who got a fourth rank that year, he secured All India first highest mark in geography paper that year. So 2018 again he switched the service, I think from railway traffic services to Indian police service. When in IPS service, then he again want to become a IS officer na. So that time he start preparing, what we can say is just a revise to improve his rank, because he already completed his optional subject and general studies subject. So one thing that can be say ki when you go for training na, different IPS or even service, there are some students are not a student we can say, because they get their dream job na, in now they are officers, under training officers. So mostly student, not mostly we can say ki 50% in IPS, mostly 50% student dream job of the IS. They start again preparing for their next attempt. So Ajay Jain sir was there. He also attempted for next attempt. So he prepared for 2019 attempt. Then he got 12 rank that year. So this was the dream. I think first, second, third, fourth, fifth attempt. This was the fifth attempt. He got IS service. So this is the what we can say. One of the motivational factor for students who are now studying in this college. They can relate their dream to Ajay Jain sir mostly, because there is no, mostly students have the passion, they left their preparation second and third attempt. So when he was knowing after 2017, after two attempts, he was not in the list, even written by prelims. So 2017 18 he improved their rank. 19, that was the biggest achievement for him. So you can motivate from this sir. In next slides we have Mayank Mittal sir. He belongs from Uttar Pradesh, I think Bilaspur district. He did BTech 2011 to 2015, 4 years program. No? So his stream was electrical engineering from this college. You will see next slide Soumya Pandey ma'am. He was the batchmate of Soumya Pandey ma'am. So he was actually in the under training service IPS. He was the friend of Ajay Jain sir. No? So I connected with Ajay Jain sir. So 2015, when he was in final year in college, he attempted the GATE exam. So that GATE exam is what we can say compulsory for if you are pursuing for MTech courses, post graduation courses, or want to a secure job in PSU public sector companies. So that year he got job in ONGC, Oil Natural Gas Corporation in Mumbai. When he was job ONGC, he heard the news Soumya Pandey may have topped the APSC by 4th rank. So he motivated that time. When he was job, because he already completed his course, optional subject, he was changing that time for Indian Engineering Service, which is conducted by APSC also. So when in 2016 he was he attempted 2017 ES paper. He got a All India first rank that time. So that was the biggest achievement for him that time. So 2017, after 2017, by this exam Indian Engineering Service, he entered into Indian Railway Service. That was the new job for him. So when he was in railway job, so he started preparing for a civil services exam. So 2018 he took coaching Next IS, which is the other we can say other branch of other civil services coaching of the MEDICI, which is I think for years get a exam that coaching. So 2018 he got 105 rank. So by this rank he got IPS, Indian Police Service. So that time he was the batchmate of the Ajay Jain sir. So they start preparing for next time, same as Ajay Jain sir. In 2019 he got to 29th rank in APSC exam. So that was the dream. He got a IS that time. So in second slide you very well know about this ma'am, Soumya Pandey ma'am from Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. So she did BTech 2015. That year she was gold medalist. So actually the mindset was she has cleared that time when she took admission Motilal Nehru College that year by JMN. Her parents is from medical background, so there was no financial problem for her that time. So ma'am started their coaching as second year or third year, maybe end of second year in the IS, which is situated in civil lines area of Allahabad. So her optional was also geography. So there was the first. We cannot say कि this was the first attempt for her. So she started preparing from second year. So there was the she secured All India fourth rank in first attempt. So in next slide we have Abhilash Mishra sir, who belong from Uttar Pradesh also. He did BTech from MNIT 2007 to 11 in mechanical engineering. So he did coaching, not some part of he took but mostly self preparation, which optional of public administration. In 2014 he secured All India 518 rank. In 2016 he achieved All India fifth rank in his not fifth. This was his fourth attempt. So this is the other MNIT's legend, what we can say. Alankrita Pandey ma'am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. She did BTech in MNIT Allahabad. She was working in some IT companies. She also from computer science. She was computer science. I think computers. No, very sure. She was from computer science engineering background. She attempted only one attempt. That was 2015. She secured All India 85th rank that time. So in next slide we have Suraj Patel sir. Belong from Uttar Pradesh also. From Kanpur district. He did BTech 2009 to 13 batch MNIT Allahabad. See no same. Mehan Sumya Pandey ma'am entered that. No, not entered. She was studying that college because her batch was 2011 to 15. So there was standoff PSC in their college that time. So Suraj Patel sir took a coaching Bajiram Ravi, which is in Old Rajendra Nagar, Delhi. His optional was Anthro that time. So Suraj Patel sir took 3 attempts that time. 2015, 819 rank that time. He got Indian Revenue Service. In 2016, he secured 475 rank that time. He got IPS, Indian Police Service that time. In 2017, his rank was 70. Lastly, IS. In next slides we have Suraj Kumar Rai sir. He is also from Uttar Pradesh. He belongs from Jaunpur district, which is near to Allahabad, 100 km from Allahabad. Not 100 something. BTech, he did BTech 2009 to 13, electrical engineering from MNIT Allahabad. His optional was also public administration, Abhilash Sharma. So he failed 2015 attempt, very few marks. 2016 mains failed by 5 marks. Then he attempted 2017, got All India under 17 rank. That time he secured Indian Police Service. Now he is also posted in UP cadre, doing very good job in Uttar Pradesh. I think this time he is posted in Hapudia, near to Delhi region, Hapur, Meerut, Ghaziabad region. So this is the total number of student secured very good rank in PSC exam. So the student who belong from this college near Allahabad districts, they can motivate by these successful candidate. If you want to anything, you can comment here. I will reply you. Okay, thank you.